We have an all men's meeting tomorrow. And it's on the day, Monday, that the men who belong to the Nation of Islam meet every week. And I don't think you sisters, you don't mind your brothers coming together. I mean, when y'all get together, we don't be like, I wonder why they don't invite us. But we men, we got some business to take care of. We as black men, we gotta know what God would have of us to do. And his command, which is in the invitation on the plugger, is that we must make our communities a decent and safe place to live. That's on the men of the neighborhood, the community, and the nation to do. So if it be the will of Allah, Minister Farrakhan will be present with us. So that's tomorrow at 7:30, and it is open to all the men in our community, West Side, South Side, North Side. See, it ain't about the turf that you live in. What we gotta understand is the earth is the Lord's, and the earth belongs to the righteous. Don't limit me to no little south side of a city, east side of a city, west side of a city, north side of the city. Hell, don't even limit me to the planet. There are galaxies out here. So, tomorrow at 7:30, black men will be meeting to talk about what we have to do to make our communities a safe or a decent and safe place to live, so that our women and our children can grow up in their neighborhoods and feel safe. That's on us to do. So inshallah, God willing, we'll see you tomorrow at 7:30.